Okay, I'm gonna just take this like it's a video diary thing. Wednesday, August the 4th, currently 8:03 a.m. Today is the day we go to Ruby Beach. Hopefully to see some bioluminescence. I really hope today is the day. Oh no. I really hope today's the day because we have been trying to see it for a while and we cannot find it.
We're amateurs.
This is our first time trying, but we will get it done. I have faith in us. Right now we're just waiting for Alan to wake up.
Alan's awake, he's in the bathroom.
Oh, okay. And for Isra to get here. And then we'll pack up and be on our way.
Woohoo!
Here we are at the registration thing for the campfire. If you have a reservation, do we have a reservation?
Yes.
Proceed to your reserved campsite. Checking in with a ranger is not required. If you don't know your reserved campsite number, check the arrival. Yeah. Because we've already registered. And it is very foggy.
Huh?
I'm narrating for the video.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Okay, so we go.
She's getting paid, don't worry.
Lies.
I don't like
So no campfire?
human contact.
Social interaction.
I mean, I'm very social.
They have to know.
Okay, A3, A2,
Which?
Hasta atrás, mijo. B.
A4. Just took it one.
Which campsite is ours?
B10.
Okay, bye.
Okie doke.
A5.
This looks nice.
Reservamos a Ruby Beach.
B10 right here.
Ah, don't fall.
Oh, that's to the back. You can get it.
Oh.
Yeah. With it.
Do you see all these roots?
Yeah, man.
You gonna sleep on this? Put them up there.
I think that would be where the entrance is gonna be at.
What about this way?
We can do it that way.
Wait, got a picture.
Very logical. Good job, bro. Is that the bathrooms over there?
Oh,
Thank goodness we're so close to the bathroom. Chop, 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 chop. You know, I had sweats in my hand and I thought about packing them, but then I was like, it's really hot. But I knew it. I knew I should have brought them. I'm cold. Only like real quick and then we gotta go back to help them out with the tent. I like these steps.
what does it say?
It says I don't know. Girls? Ta-da! Made the tent. Huge. Huge tent. Well, they're still adding the last few things to it. But it's basically done. I mean, look at that, look at that, look at that. And we have a nice area close to the beach. We have a campfire thingy, but I don't know if we're allowed to use it. But I think we can.
Okay.
And we have it done. Ta-da!
Are you sure that's the right side?
I don't know if there's a right or wrong way.
You are watching Masters at Work. Watch them go.
Arlene! You're supposed to record when we're doing things that are like accurate.
Okay, stand by for technical difficulties. Ta-da! Okay, now it's officially done. Bye, pal. Oh, bye, pal. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out.
Should I leave it like this or should I fold it in half so we have more cushion?
You can leave it like that.
What?
Beautiful, beautiful. I love the wolf pattern. That's your spirit animal, pal. Beautiful.
it up. It looks like this is like that.
Wait, put the whole thing. Oh my god. Wait, put the whole thing the way I had it first.
It keeps you warm and it's a fashion statement.
Wow, keep you warm at night.
That's one good hoodie right there.
That's scary, man.
Here we are at Flea's Burgers. Get us some food. What's going on? Je ne sais pas. You should ask.
Huh? So, this is the end of the line.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's go. We're off.
Here we are in Forks. You can see it says Forks backwards. It does look like the car from Cars. It's got a crank and everything. Look. Look. Can't take you anywhere.
Can't do nothing with you. Okay, us three got the rainy day burger. Yeah. Woo. That does not look appetizing. That's a bite in it. And what did you get? Forgot the name. Spartan burger. I don't know what the difference is. Well, he has ham in his actually. Tomato and lettuce. Oh yeah, we don't have vegetables. I forgot I didn't have vegetables, or else I would have added them on. Beautiful fries, sauce. Like yeah. Oh my god!
We're trying a snowball for the first time.
Yeah.
Everybody gets one.
Are all snowballs chocolate?
I think so.
Yeah.
Wait.
I don't know. None of us have ever had
I
one,
thought the
right?
one in Zombieland was like vanilla.
No, it was chocolate.
Oh, okay. Well.
Snowballs make me think of the hot chick.
Oh yeah.
Cause she always eats them, you know?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So squishy. Cheers.
1,
Yes.
2, 3. It's drier than I
There's
thought it would
cream
be.
in the middle.
Is there
Just
really?
like a pingüino.
There
Like a
is
ding
cream
dong,
in the
smelling
middle.
marshmallow.
Huh.
Once you get to the middle, it just tastes like a pingüino with coconut.
I kind of had higher expectations for it.
I didn't. I had really low expectations because I didn't think it was chocolate.
None of us have ever had one. We shared
Nice.
this first experience together.
That's beautiful.
Should we visit the whole rainforest? No, we
No.
tried to, and then just couldn't find anything, so we left.
I say we come back and still a play. You're gonna edit out everything we say.
What?
You're gonna edit out everything we say on
No, I'm not.
Really?
That's the actual content.
Oh
That's what people want to hear.
Where are we, Bao?
We're at the whole rainforest. H-O-H.
Thank you for that.
Clarification?
Clarification.
You're very welcome.
That was needed. That looks cool. It's only 0.8 miles. Popular trail that loops through old growth forest grows maple trees draped with abundant club moss.
No. Yes.
You already went out of
I feel like most of this footage is just gonna be of the crowd.
Huh?
Most of this footage is just gonna be of the crowd.
over 200 feet tall.
Do you think it's over 10 people?
Nah, I don't think this one reaches you.
What?
Yeah, I can see it.
Kind of looks like the swamp in the Haunted Mansion.
Oh, yeah.
So why is it only on this part? How do you think a deep is?
They have
You want to rephrase that again?
How deep?
Up close and personal. No? No? Ah. Ah.
Look at that Bella sweater.
This is
Oh,
adorable.
that one looks nice.
We went to Twilight. I got some stuff for my mother and my friend. Ali.
I got a beautiful sweaters. It has this picture, beautiful. It says Olympic Peninsula.
Well.
Something like that. And we should find, I know this is weird, but we should find that soda machine that I saw somewhere.
Why?
Because I love soda machines.
All right.
And I'd like a can of Coke.
All right, then we'll look for a vending machine for you.
There was a vending machine somewhere in one of the motels, outside of the motel.
Okay, we'll point it out for us.
all I got. That's all I
We can find it for you.
There's a motel over there. Maybe it was that one.
And we're gonna go back to Home Slice.
I mean, we have 30 minutes to kill.
Did we already tell them we went to Home Slice?
Oh, I don't think so.
Okay, well we went to Home Slice to get some pizza for dinner, and we're on our way to see if it's ready. We went to the store to kill some time. Lower. Camera is dying now.
Still waiting on our pizza.
Yes. It should be ready in like 10 minutes. Is he ready? Verdict.
Oh, amazing.
Maybe it's not because it just came up.
She's already tried it.
But I liked it.
The first time we tried it. Have you tried it?
Yeah. I just tried it.
Did you like it the first time? Oh no! Camera died. Hello. Hello. We're back at the campsite. We're camping like 2 feet away from Ruby Beach, so we are at the beach now. Woo! We thought we wanted to catch the sunset, but that's gone. But it's still really pretty here. So I haven't really explained what we're doing here. So the whole point of the trip is to catch the bioluminescence tonight. So if you don't know what bioluminescence is, Arlene?
It is alga?
Yes. Plankton, yes.
Oh, plankton? It is plankton that has like pigments that glow in the nighttime when they're in season, when it's hot enough. And supposedly it should be happening right now because it's August. And so hopefully tonight we will see something glow in the water.
Yeah. Woo. So we've had many failed attempts back at home, like in Seattle, because light pollution is a problem there. And you need complete darkness to be able to see it. So that's why we came all the way out here and made a one-day camping trip out of it, because we really want to see it at night, but like the time frame to be able to see it is like super late at night. So we didn't want to drive all the way back home, like 3 hours, just to come see that. Yeah. Not only is that annoying, but it's also really dangerous, so we're not doing that. So we're camping for one night. Hello. So later tonight we're probably gonna come down here and try to catch the bioluminescence. I don't know if camera will pick it up. Honestly, I am very new at this. I'm not an expert. I just really want to see it again. I saw it once and I am determined to see it again before the summer's over, because or else I have to wait until next year. So here we are, barefoot on the beach. Woo! But my socks are on and I regret nothing. Flower. We'll make it worse. The beach looks beautiful with the stars. Just update. There's no way I can show you. That's just not gonna show up on camera. But just take our word for it. And then we're gonna go down to Ruby Beach, like actual Ruby Beach. Look at this, Arlene. Guau. 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 That's enough grabs. Whoa. What? Really close.
Oh, it's a puss.
Update. Yesterday we went to Ruby Beach. We didn't see anything. It was really cold, so we left.
Saw a lot of stars.
We did.
But it looked nice.
And it was really nice. So we came back here to the campsite, and then we went, well, Israel and I went to the beach down there just to check one more time before giving up. And we saw nothing, so we came back up. But I feel like if we waited maybe a little bit longer, we would have seen something. But I was like, I'm so tired. I didn't want to wait.
Yeah, I was really tired too.
So yeah.
I go sleep now. I go sleep right here.
I go sleep right here. How was your good night sleep?
Yeah, it was really nice. It was like really cold and you could still hear the waves. So it's a good night sleep.
I didn't feel like it was cold. I kind of forgot that I was here, honestly. It just felt normal. I think my sleeping bag's really good. And I just take it for granted. So yeah. I think I'm gonna like put everything away. And I don't know if they're still gonna make breakfast. Probably because we bought it yesterday. And yeah. That is the update.
Tired.
Thank you for breakfast, sir.
Adan made the eggs.
Okay. Adan! Wow! Campsite is empty.
Yep. We did it.
Yay! Our campsite was beaten. Ta-da!
Back.
Back on the road. We made it to Ruby Beach. Ta-da! Seagull!
Look. Look.
We found some tadpoles. Wow! Look, Arlene!
Whoa.
He said, did you see it?
So cool.
I picked one up on my hand.
Touch it.
Don't squeeze them. Like,
I can't
Be gentle.
squeeze it.
Move my hand too fast. They're going away.
How interesting.
Cool, because they're not fast enough to run away. Whoa!
that is a big rock right there. Really big.
Oh, it stopped. Arlene, we fell in the water.
Oh no.
Look,
My butt's wet.
my foot went straight. Oh.
Arlene has reported a beaver.
I have. I know. I saw what I saw. I done seen it with my own two eyes. And it picked me up with the laser power. It shook me like a dog.
Woo! You think you're better than me or whatever? Wow, Arlene.
Oh, shit,
Wow.
Doggy.
Shark bite. Wow. Wow. Was it this? Oh! Thank you. Oh, okay, cute. Pink lotus. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Man, I should have got something special too.
This is good. It tastes like a creamsicle. You like it? I don't know. Let me see.
I like it.
It's alright. Oh, mine's delicious.
What'd you do?
I just got a lotus.
Okay.
Huh?
Did your brother not bring shorts?
No, he did not. Ta-da! Wow. Might as well take a shower at this point.
Not gonna lie. Okay. It doesn't go that deep though. It's not that. Excuse me. You wanna go there?
I'll go now.
Okay. I can do it. Okay.
Okay, that's it. It was like a really nice rock that is nice to step on. Heavy. Oh my god. That wasn't my fault. I don't want to go sit on that rock, but then my tracks will be wet.
Whoa!
There's like a little like glare.
Nice.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm not gonna fall.
We've made it.
To Mount Olympus, which is which one?
I don't know.
But that's what this is called.
Like it's all of them.
Whoa, that's insane. I'm tired. So beautiful though. Wow.
We're almost there.
When I got tired, when my started to hurt, I pushed through, but I can't push through anymore. It's too much.
You gonna stay there?
I'm gonna go up. Stop recording me.
We started right there. Woo!
I think it hurts because of how high we're at. We're like 20,000 feet up.
Whoa. Are you dead?
No, I'm alright. I'm surprised.
I'm dead.
This arm is long too.
What is that? Flies? Tick? Bye-bye. Oh, black-tailed deer.
Spotted in the wild. So cute.
Switch it.
He's probably looking for that female that was down there.
Bro, she went that way.
She's over there, bro.
So cute.
What up, you guys? Carla cannot give you an update because technical difficulties, so I shall. So right now we're at Applebee's having some food because we finally decided to stop and get food after only having breakfast. We are at Applebee's right now having food. We're just waiting for our main course. Had some appetizers. And yeah, so how'd you guys feel about today's day activities?
We hiked a lot.
It was not a lot.
Where are my patas?
Here. Yeah, saw Mount Olympus.
Oh, we saw a deer. Well, you saw that. You saw that. You know.
You know. Ta-da! Food. Surprise! No, I can't. It is I narrating this video. Yeah, as for new change of pace. So, nothing happened. We continued. You can edit this together. It'll be fine. What does that mean?
Ready, what?
What does this mean?
That means you can take a picture of cheese.
Take 3.
No, this is take 1.
Yeah, you're right. This is take 1.
We haven't done this yet. This is definitely going to the bloopers.